Hi everyone, Peter Mathis here. I'm out in the Mathis Vineyard. Going to give you a recap of the 2022 harvest. We had a lot of really interesting weather here at the end of the season. Interesting, also a little eerie. On September 4th, we had an unprecedented 5-day heat wave. It was just crazy hot. And then last night, we had quite a rain, maybe 1.25 inches. Really pretty amazing. We had a really nice growing season. Warm spring with an early bud break. Some late season rains that really helped the vines grow. Pretty good weather during the set period. That's when the flowers on the grapevines self-pollinate and turn into berries. We had a nice mild summer. No major heat spells to speak of. Grapes matured fairly quickly, and I started picking for rosé on August 22nd. That was the earliest by at least a week I've ever picked, and probably closer to 3 weeks earlier than average. Once I started picking, I realized how low the crop was. I didn't think it was going to be a big year, but it was really low. Now, that's bad for farmers, and that's me. But it can be pretty good for the customer because it can lead to really intensely flavored wines. I picked for my red Grenache on September 2nd. Again, a couple weeks before as normal. The fruit looked great, very concentrated, and I think it's going to be a wonderful vintage. So all said and done, the 2022 harvest went very well. I didn't have a lot of crop, but what I did harvest was really great quality. I'm looking forward to it. The wines in the tanks are great. Rosé, I would say, is my favorite I've ever made at this point. I can't stop drinking the samples. What do you think, Lily? Is it going to be a good vintage? I think that was a yes.